Hello beautiful witches, welcome back to my channel, Callie Contours. So today we are doing an empties video. I have a bag of empties here and it's some like, I got a candle, there's some makeup, there's some skincare, and we're just gonna go through and talk about what I finished up. This is kind of gonna be like mini review little thing, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is a candle. This is salted watermelon and cilantro. This is from, what's it called? The dollar store. It might be Dollar General. It might be the Dollar Tree. I don't know. It's a dollar store. Everything's $1.25 there. So if that, I don't know, anything. But this, it has a little heart on it. And like it's all the way down to heel, it's pretty much dead. And this was a pretty good candle. For $1.25, it was good. I mean, I can't really say much else. It was only filled up to like heel though. It wasn't all the way to the top, it was only to like heel. So keep that in mind. But if you want a cheap candle, that was pretty good. Up next, we have a makeup item. This is the KVD Locket Blotting powder in light, and it is messy, but because you know how like powders, they like break after a while. That's what happened here. So I might keep the component and get a refill because I know you can do that. But it was a pretty good powder. I used it for like touching up spots, you know, like if my makeup wore off throughout the day, I would just take out my purse and like touch it up, like usually the chin, really. That's where my makeup tends to break up easily. But it was a good blotting powder. I think I might repurchase it and get a refill and keep the component. I like that like recycling aspect of it, so yeah, I might do that. Up next is from Drunk Elephant, and it is the Virgin Mahula Luxury Facial Oil. Coffee spilled on it, so it's kind of dirty, but I loved this. It was so luxurious feeling, but I would not pay like 50 bucks for it again, or however much it was. I would not do that again. I'm gonna try to find some like cheaper Mahula, what's it called? Marula. I'm gonna try to find some cheaper Marula oil and do it like that. Up next from Glow Recipe, we have the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. So this is just like plum scented hyaluronic acid, and I could not smell the plum, especially towards the end. Maybe in the beginning I could kind of smell the plum, but towards the end I could not smell any plum whatsoever. And it was hard to get the last bits out. I think there might be still a little bit in it, but I would not buy this again just because it's just hyaluronic acid and you can't even smell the plum. So for this price, however much it was, I'll put it up in the corner. Not worth it. No. You know what else isn't worth it? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and it's empty. I had put some cortisone cream in here. I was just using the container, but it is empty, and I do not think it's worth $100. I got it in like a BoxyCharm. That's the only reason I have this. I mean, I guess it was a good moisturizer, but there was nothing special about it at all. Nothing special. Okay, the last item is from Lancome, and it is the Art Liner in black. And this dried out on me, so I would not buy this again, even though it's like my favorite black eyeliner. Oh, now it's working. Weird. Okay, maybe I'll try to get a couple more uses out of that. But lately I've been using the PYT black eyeliner, and that's my new favorite, and that's only like $8 versus the Lancome one. But this is also kind of a pain in the ass because you have to like shake it and dip it back in to get more ink, and it's just a pain in the ass, and I don't like it anymore. I just don't like it anymore. I'm done with it. Not for that price anyway. Okay. So that was all my empties. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say, so stay weird.